Bonjour, je m'appelle Sniti, je suis ton professeur de français et aujourd'hui nous apprenons les solutions de cahier d'exercice. Well, today we are going to start with the workbook solutions of lesson 5, which is leçon 5 dans la classe, that means in the classroom. Well, here we are the question number 1, that is really les colonnes, match the columns. In column A are the subject pronoun and in column B are the conjugations of verb avoir. Well, in firstly we have is J apostrophe, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle, and next we have is avant, on, et, avait, on, a. So do remember all the topics covered in lesson 5 are very important. If you haven't checked the master key and the reading part, go check them out. Firstly, let's start matching them. J apostrophe to A, that would be je, I have. Do remember the subject pronoun je always becomes J apostrophe whensoever the conjugation starts with a vowel. Tu as, you have, il a, he have, elle a, she have, nous avons, we have, vous avez, you have, but that's in plural. Ils ont, they have, elles ont, they have. Now, here we are the question number 2, that is metier femina, put in the feminine form. Firstly, we have is il est français, he is French. So, in this, the literal translation would be she is French, elle est française. Now, if we look particularly, il will become elle, a will remain the same, and français, well, in that it is a nationality, we'll add an e. Next we have is il est mince, he is thin. So she is thin, elle est mince. Next we have is tu es japonais, are you Japanese? Tu es japonaise, are you Japanese? Next we have is il est beau, he is handsome. So the answer would be she is beautiful, elle est belle. Do remember mostly in adjective cases we just add an e at the end to make it feminine, but there still are some exceptions and beau is one of them. Next we have is nous sommes petits et intelligents, that means we are small and intelligent. Well, the answer is nous sommes petites et intelligentes. We are small and intelligent but in feminine. Next we have is ils sont sympathiques, they are sympathetic, elles sont sympathiques, they are sympathetic. This is a boy, c'est un garçon. Il est mince, he is thin. So the answer is c'est une fille. This is a girl, she is thin, elle est mince. Next we have is the eighth part, that is vous êtes saoudien. That means are you Saudi Arabian? Well, the answer is vous êtes saoudien, are you Saudi Arabian? Now here we are the question number 3, that is météo pluriel, put in the plural form. Well, firstly we have is je suis grande. That means I am big. So the answer is nous sommes grands, we are big. So if we look particularly, je suis will become nous sommes, and in grand we'll add an s. Next we have is c'est une femme, this is a woman. Ce sont des femmes, these are some women. Tu as un crayon, you have a pencil. Vous avez des crayons, you have some pencils. Il est gros, he is fat. Ils sont gros, they are fat. C'est une serviette, this is a towel. Ce sont des serviettes, these are some towels. Elle a une robe, that means she has a dress. Elles ont des robes, they have some dresses. Elle est mince, she is thin. Elles sont minces, they are thin. J'ai une règle, that means I have a ruler or a scale. Nous avons des règles, that means we have some rulers or scales. So here we are the question number 4, that is compléter avec le verbe avoir ou être. That means complete using the conjugations of verb avoir, that is to have, and verb être, that means to be. Firstly we have is J apostrophe dash une maison, that means I have a house. So do remember I won't be saying dashes again and again. I'll just tell the interpretation of the sentence in English. So the answer is j'ai une maison, that means I have a house. Next we have is tu dash 10 ans, tu dash français, that means you are 10-year-old, you are French. So tu as 10 ans, tu es français. Next we have is il dash des livres, il dash étudiant, that means he have some books, he is a student. So il a des livres, il est étudiant. Next we have is nous dash des trousse, that means we have some pencil pouches. So nous avons des trousses. Vous dash petit, you are small. Vous êtes petit, you are small. Next we have is elle dash Andean, that means they are Indian. So the answer is elles sont Andean. Ce dash des élèves, il dash un joujou, that means these are some students, they have a toy. So ce sont des élèves, ils ont un joujou. Vous avez un stylo? That means do you have a pen? Next we have is ce dash des tigres. That means these are some tigers. So ce sont des tigres. Nous dash 13 ans. Nous dash belle. That means we are 13-year-old. We are beautiful. So the answer is nous avons 13 ans. Nous sommes belles. Now here we are at the question number 5. That is remplissez avec les adjectifs. That means fill in the blanks along with the adjectives that are given in the blanks. Now firstly we have is LA, that means she is thin. So here the answer is LA mass. Next we have is nous sommes, that means we are tall. So it in feminine plural would be nous sommes grandes. Next we have is elles sont, that means they are kind. So elles sont sympathiques. Next we have is vous êtes, that means you are fat. That in feminine plural would be vous êtes grosse. Now the fifth part is je suis, I am small. So je suis petit. Now that's it for today's video. I hope that you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. With that, thanks for watching. Bye bye and have a nice day.